How to Fix Amazon OTP Not Received 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon OTP Not Received problem quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app or website and try logging in again. If you're not receiving the OTP, follow these methods. Method 1. Check your network signal. Make sure your phone has a strong signal. Switch between mobile data, Wi-Fi. Then request the OTP again. Method 2. Wait for a minute, then tap on Resend OTP. Avoid requesting too many codes quickly. Method 3. Check your spam or blocked messages. Go to your SMS inbox. Make sure no messages are blocked. Your inbox is not full. Also, check spam or filtered messages. Method 4. Verify your phone number. Make sure you entered the correct phone number with the right country code. Even a small mistake can stop OTP delivery. Method 5. Turn off DND or call blocking. Disable Do Not Disturb mode. Also, turn off any apps that block SMS or calls. Method 6. Restart your device and request the OTP again. This can fix temporary network glitches. Method 7. Use email OTP, alternative, if available. Choose email OTP instead of SMS. Check your email inbox for the code. Method 8. Contact Amazon support. If nothing works, contact Amazon support. They can verify your account and help you log in. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the Amazon OTP not received issue easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.